guys, today I'm going to show you the easier way to make shortbread cookie. So this is a thick, buttery, and creamy shortbread cookie, and we're going to coat it with melted dark chocolate. This is a one bowl recipe. You don't even need any hand mixer to do this. And we're not using any cookie cutter as well. We're not rolling the dough. It's such an easy recipe to make. So I hope you guys will stay until the end. Watch the video. For now, let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. Okay, so this is now our shortbread cookie. I had let this cool down. It's really thick. So, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to melt some chocolate. I'm using chocolate chips. You can also use bar chocolate and just chop it. So, I'm just going to microwave this, and then when I come back, we're going to dip our shortbread cookie. Okay, so this is now our melted chocolate. You can use dark chocolate, you can use semi-sweet chocolate, you can mix white and dark. So it's really up to you. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to coat our shortbread cookie. So let's do that. And we have one last piece. There you go. Okay. And then we're just going to let this set. And I'm gonna show you how you can use the leftover chocolate. Again, another option is to just use it to double dip, let it set, and then dip again the shortbread cookie. But there's another way that I like to use it, and I'm gonna show you that. So, but we have to wait for this cookie for the chocolate to set. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in the fridge to chill faster, and then when we come back, I'm gonna show you how you can use the leftover melted chocolate. Let's do that. So I had this chilled in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. As you can see, it's now solid. So as it is, you can just serve this as this is right now. But I told you earlier that I'm gonna show you how to use your leftover melted chocolate. So what I did is I had the melted leftover chocolate in a Ziploc bag, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to trim the ends. So we're going to use this to drizzle on top of the cookie. So this way you're not wasting any leftover. Okay, so like that. So it's nice. Yeah. Okay, so and then we're going to chill this again for another 15 minutes. There you go, guys. So this is the easier way to make your chocolate coated shortbread cookie. So we're just going to let this chill, and we're going to try one when we come back. Let's do that. Okay, so I had this chilled for 15 minutes, and this is now how it looks like. Look at this. So it's really solid now and hard, and it doesn't stick to the finger anymore. So that's a good sign that it's ready to be served and it's properly chilled. Okay, so this is now our chocolate coated shortbread cookie, the simplified and easy way. Let's give this a try. Wow, it's so thick, it's so creamy, it's so buttery, and the chocolate is just amazing with the shortbread cookie. So I hope you guys will give this a try, and until next time, bye!